Happy Sunday morning! So, ngayon dumating yung package natin. Kung malamig ba siya, i-close natin. Let's close, and we need some lights in here. Buksan natin kaunti pala. Ayan. Ayan, dumating na ang aming package. Oh, sorry about that noise. Okie dokie. Let's go. Unbagging.
Unbagging is bag, not unboxing. I think it's the box. It's a bag.
Okay, kontiin lang.
From all the way from
We ordered this from Timo. Mega love shout out to our 2 live viewers. What's inside? Oh, we have 1 liker. Mega love shout out to our first liker. Remaining 1 live viewer. Open. I'm so excited. So we ordered this like 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. We're waiting this for so long.
Anong in-order mo?
I don't know. I forget what I ordered. So many things.
I think so many things.
OM. Ooh, what's inside? Oh, now I remember. We get this. Oh, so small.
What's that?
This is for Hannah's birthday. Like, what is that?
What is this?
Number 6. Balloon?
I think it's for the balloon.
Oh.
Number 6 balloon.
Oh, put it here on the side. Because we bought some.
This one?
Oh, this is the.
Parang malalaki.
Oh yeah, it's too
How
big.
old is this set?
Why? I ordered for like 7 to 8.
Okay, magkuta siya.
7 to 8.
T-shirt.
T-shirt, tingnan mo nga. Oh, not bad. Pero malalaki siya. Dapat pala yung ano mo nga na di. Pero
okay
pwede
na
naman.
Oo.
Kasi I ordered 7 to 8. Oh, I like the
Material.
the material.
Yeah. Hopefully they're gonna like it.
Yeah, it's like cotton.
This one is
Oh.
Best
Best
friend
friends
forever.
How many?
This one is
4?
a pink heart.
Pink.
Hannah likes pink.
Hannah likes pink. And this one is for Ate O, melting heart.
Bakit melting?
I don't know.
Bakit melting heart to?
I didn't saw that.
Why? Why does it have melting
like
heart?
a
That's cute.
t-shirt. The t-shirt, because we need these for the school year.
Next year pag
Maybe next year. So we got this for
material niya.
yeah, I like the material, the clothes material.
The clothing material.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
So
Okay, next, what's inside the
that's done.
bag? So we're unboxing from the bag. Next. Yeah. Oh no, that's too big as well. Sige nga, buksan mo nga, Daddy. Ayan, medyo pa tayo dito sa lamesa ng mga baby natin. Okay.
This is a sweater.
Parang pangit naman na din ng ano natin. Ito mo nga. We have no table for... Oh,
Look at the sweater.
beautiful. Because what I ordered is good for 7 to 8 years old. Oh, may 3 din siyang laman. This is black. Not bad. Not bad for autumn. Okay naman siya.
Okay man siya.
Hindi naman siya yung Makati or anything. Parang cotton like purple and pink. Hanap it. Pero kay ate na yan. Because she have already. Tingnan ninyo, oh. Oh. Inside.